you'll start coughing. Dry cough from nowhere. You will just talk with somebody. Ah! It will disappear. After some time, dry cough, nothing they come out. If you cough consistently for a year or two, one day, your stomach will burst open. That's hernia. Before you know it, you're going for hernia surgery. Do you understand? It doesn't cause it in everybody. Now, I would have been mentioning the actual names of these medications that cause these things, but I'm not going to do them. It's left for you and your doctor. I don't want to mention somebody's business. Now, it's not just the diuretics that can affect your heart.